to Effective Evolution. And today we're back on Mars and we're on PIA 26554. And when you have a gander at this particular panorama, you'll notice that the Curiosity rover has a very remarkable camera that could provide lots of detail. And we're going to look at some of the structures that are all over this panorama, and we'll use various techniques. And you'll be quite surprised at the detail that we could come up with. And please enjoy. Effective Evolution. And today we're exploring this area here, which is PIA 26554 of Mars. And after your eyes get familiar with this panorama, you'll definitely observe that there are some very intricate designs in the landform here, from this cliff region here to this region on this side, and these landforms in the back throw quote or whatnot. And we're going to explore this area and focus in on some of the intricate structures, implementing various methods or whatnot. And let's get right to it. Implement the shadow enhancement tool, and that is used for bringing out the shadowy areas, the areas of darkness or whatnot on panorama PIA 26554 of Mars. And you get to this type of scenario here, and you can see that the shadows do indicate various intricate structures and around the landform. Just notice the peculiar straight lines, and in the background here as well, there are linear patterns, and hopefully we can gain some more details in our observation. Your eyes will probably adjust and make notes of the various landforms. This seems to be some type of channel of some sort, perhaps to channel a type of liquid that was there before, and there seems to be structures in the background here. Probably changed over time, of course. And that structure here is very interesting as well. This area here as well. Would be nice to shine some light on this area and see what these structures look like. And we'll do that with the fill light and clarity tool, which will lighten up this area here. And we'll do that in a jiffy. And there are all others that will notice the intricate designs here. There seems to be very landform architecture here as well. Incorporates the dodge tool, and this would enhance the lighter areas of PIA 26554 of Mars. And you can see that those structures are still there. Main areas, perhaps a bit more noticeable or whatnot, according to how you perceive things. And we'll zoom in a bit and make notes of all the intricate landform architecture or whatnot. There are some very notable designs and patterns in here, and we'll shed some more light into that. Very bizarre structures, I must admit. And that adds to the beauty of Mars, of course. Just notice the somewhat weird prominences. As we start off with this panorama of Mars, PIA 26554. And the Curiosity rover's tracks here. Structure here of PIA 26554 of Mars. Just notice the intricate designs in here. And there are some streaks here. Whether that is in the photo itself or whatnot, which it probably is, but we'll focus in on the landform though. You can notice some intricate designs here as well. And does look kind of weird, the way this part kind of juts out from the rest of the structure or whatnot, but there are some intricate designs in here. What exactly are we looking at? It's this some type of manufacturing center that was on Mars, or military installment, or something of that nature. Or these instruments of some sort to project particles, or i.e. weapons, or is this mining equipment? With the cliff-like region of PIA 26554 on Mars, that's this area here. There are some very amazing designs to consider. And you'll probably notice already that there are some very symmetrical linear patterns all over the place.
and adding on the fill light and clarity instrument, we get this. And what this does is it sheds more light onto this area. And you'll definitely notice some very more intricate details in this area. Now, just notice the interwoven linear patterns here and structures. Is this some type of manufacturing center or military base on Mars? That was there previously or whatnot? Just notice the intricate detail. Seems to be oval openings here and here. Bizarre shapes and objects or whatnot. Just notice that perfectly circular globe here. Intricate designs. Simply remarkable. And with the infrared tool added on, you can see that those intricate patterns are still there, i.e. plant architecture on this quote cliff-like type of area. Of this panorama PIA 26554 on Mars.
After going over this panorama of Mars PIA 26554, you will note, of course, that, I mean, if you'd like to, of course, that there are some very interesting structures all over the place, and the symmetry, the linear patterns, the detail, and what appears to be planned design or whatnot, it does indicate that Mars was influenced by a very advanced civilization. And please project your hypothesis about this and continue. And until next time, please enjoy your space exploration. Thank you for your time.